Well, good courtesy to the ring. Parade of vintage and classical vehicles. And coming to us at a certain age, some of them will bring back a lot of memories of many, many years ago. So without further ado, I'm going to pass the microphone over to Stuart Lamb, who is going to tell you all about these incredible vehicles.
Thank you, Karen. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stuart Lamb, and it's my pleasure and privilege to introduce the parade of vintage classic vehicles to you this afternoon. Sponsored by Midland Classic Restorations. Midland Classic Restorations is a local business based in Broadwich, so if you've got a classic with which you need some assistance to build or even race preparation, very popular classic.